Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with this makeup tutorial slash how to get silky glass dewy skin without foundation. Yes, I have absolutely no foundation on, and I want to show you guys how I achieved this look. I did this look for an entire week, and I was like, damn, this is nice. And the main product that I used in this tutorial is from Charlotte Tilbury. Right over here, I accidentally put it all over the face because this is more like a dewy highlighter product, but it looks absolutely phenomenal. So I cannot wait to show you guys how I achieved this look. The eyes, you know, the dramaticness and the smokiness was kind of like an accident, but I am absolutely in love with the entire look, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So definitely leave me your feedback down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and let's go ahead and get right into it. We are gonna get this skin up and poppin'. So first thing you want to do is never skip out on your skincare, ladies. Investing in a good skincare routine will transform your skin. What I learned is that when your skin is moist, that's when it's best to apply all of your skincare, as it penetrates the skin a lot better. So I'm going to mist my skin with this Olay mist. This is the Ultimate Hydration Essence in Energizing. They have about 2 of these, and I think they are fabulous, and the price point is amazing. You really cannot beat it. I can go on and on with this stuff. It feels and smells so good. Next, I'm gonna go in with a serum, and this is brand new from Too Faced. It's part of the Hangover RX collection. This is Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. Now, I've already tried this a couple of times, and I really like it. It feels super hydrating on the skin. Oh, I really like the feeling. Smells amazing. It's not too greasy. I mean, what more is there to ask? So I really work that into the skin. Don't forget the neck. Do not forget the neck, trust me. And I'm really trying to remind myself to put my products in an up motion, as it supposedly helps. I don't know how true that is, but you know, we're gonna try. So next up, some moisturizer to seal all of this goodness in. This is from Kiehl's. It's a new product from them. It's the Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. I love the texture of this. Like, I'm almost halfway done because it literally feels like you are applying water on the skin. Oh, so nice on the skin. Really hydrating, smells really great as always. It's an experience. Like, when I do my skincare, I want to like feel like I am getting a facial. I want to feel good. Like, literally, I love when I have to take off my makeup and do my skincare, because I'll be in the bathroom for a good like half an hour, 45 minutes just doing skincare. My husband's like, really? And then last but not least, I'm gonna grab some eye cream. This is from Ole Henriksen, their Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this one for when I know I'm gonna be applying makeup. I feel like it really brightens up under the eyes, and you know, your concealer and powder sits really nicely on top of this stuff. So now that the skin is nice and, you know, just taken care of, it is looking nice and plump, it's juicy, it's hydrated. If you have more of a drier skin, you would put something a little bit more mattifying when it comes to your skincare products, but I love to like look at my skin and it looks nice and plump and juicy. This is what these products are doing for my skin right now. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. This guy right over here. I believe I have the darkest shade, which is shade Goldgasm. So I accidentally put this all over my face, and I was like, whatever, I'm in a rush, let's go with it. Girl, it looked stunning. So I have this pretty much all over the face, and I'm gonna go and blend it out with just any brush. You can even blend it out with your hands. I'm gonna do it with a brush because I don't want to get my hands dirty. I'm using this Morphe M462 stippling brush and just kind of work that into the skin like so. Look at that. I am shining, yeah. Okay, so I know right now I probably look like tinfoil shining. You know, this is very like, almost like metallic-y. But don't worry, I promise it's gonna look bomb by the end of this tutorial. So now I'm gonna take this multi-sculpting concealer from Too Faced and I'm going to conceal the areas that need a little bit of coverage. So that's the secret to the no foundation look. You don't want your entire face concealed. We are not going for that beat look. You know, we're going for that discreet beat look. So I'm taking this concealer. This is in Warm Sand, and this is pretty much my skin tone shade. I am gonna highlight after, but I like to go in with something that is my skin tone, as it, you know, it looks a little bit more natural, I wanna say. So I'm taking that under my eyes, and I am going in with a pretty generous amount under the eyes, and we are gonna blend that out and make it really, really soft and diffused. And I'm just taking it right here. So then I am going to grab a buffing brush. You can definitely use a sponge. I'm gonna do a buffing brush today. I'm taking this one over here. This is from NYX Cosmetics, and this is their foundation brush number 37. And we are just gonna go ahead and blend this concealer away. Try and keep most of the coverage under the eyes because I do have dark circles and I definitely want to conceal those, but everywhere else on the face I want to keep it very soft and almost like there's no product there. So really buffing this product away. Now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to highlight, and I'm using this concealer over here. This has been my go-to favorite concealer for the past 2 months. Like, I went to Walmart yesterday to get another shade and I cannot find this shade, and I will kill someone if I don't find this in Canada. This is in the shade Cashew, and it is their Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. This product is bomb diggity, like bomb, bomb, bomb. And this particular shade it's perfect for my skin tone. So I'm going to apply that right here. I'm not going to be as super duper generous as I was with that Too Faced product because we already have good coverage. We're just going in and highlighting the face, okay? We're not adding a bunch of coverage. And then I'm going to do the forehead because obviously we want to highlight that forehead. We're doing a little on the chin and just a little on the bridge of my nose. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot, girl. To be honest, I normally do not highlight the bridge of my nose, but I thought today, why not? And I think I'm regretting that. I'm gonna go in and cream contour. This is from Clinique. You guys are tired of hearing about it, but it is my go-to cream contour product. It is their Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour in Curvy Contour. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that in the areas that I normally apply, which is around the hairline, just like on the cheekbone area to give that lift. You know what I mean? Like, see that lift already? Do you guys see it? I hope you guys see it. I haven't blended it out, but I can already see the difference. And this is definitely more of a contour product. Not contour. This is more of a bronzing shade, which I love on my skin. I love warmth and like almost like I just came from the beach type of thing. I love that. I'm gonna do slightly on the jawline because mama has gained a few little pounds, and you know, sometimes we want to hide that. Sometimes we don't, but sometimes we do. So when I blend out that cream contour, I'm literally just kind of buffing it into the skin very, very slowly. This product blends so easily. I tell you guys that all the time. Like, it's definitely foolproof, beginner friendly. I just kind of brush that away and make sure there's no super duper harsh lines. Like, I want this to be very soft, and yeah. Make sure you bring it all the way to that hairline so there's no line of demarcation or anything like that. You don't want to see like white hairline and then bronze. That's not cute. Do you see the glow? I mean, do you see the glow? Like, this is all Charlotte Tilbury right here underneath. Like, stunning dewiness. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything. I'm using this powder over here. It's a new favorite of mine. It's from Oak and Forth, and this is their powder in the shade Beige. I believe they have other shades to select from. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye area and pretty much anywhere on the face because I don't want my face to melt away. So when you're doing this kind of like glowy look, you want to set your makeup so that it doesn't transfer, it doesn't melt away, it doesn't slide off. Trust me, this dewiness and your natural oils will peek through within a couple of minutes, and you are going to do some setting spray, so that's going to take away any powdery look. My under eye area first, and then go pretty much all over the face when I don't have too much powder. Go ahead and set my bronzer. I'm taking this palette here from Benefit Cosmetics. This is called the Blush Bar palette right there, and I'm taking this Hoola bronzer. It's nothing too dark or anything like that. It's just gonna further set the cream contoured area, and I'm taking the brush 135 from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And then I'm going to take Dandelion and mix it in with a little bit of California as my blush. And I'm using my Morphe E53 brush. I'm using this highlighter over here from NARS Cosmetics. This is in double take. I believe this was limited edition, but just use any very soft, light highlighter. Since we already have a very luminous base, we want something not too abrasive unless that's what you're going for, but I'm going to do something a little bit on the lighter natural side. So I'm taking this one here, and I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter brush. This is the A23. This is a really pretty soft highlighter. Like, oh, it just looks really gorgeous on the skin. You guys see that? Oh, stunning, stunning. So I'm going to quickly do my eyes. I'm not doing anything crazy. I don't think we shall see. I'm going to quickly speed up on this. And I am using my palette from ABH and Jackie Aina. I do have a full review where I do swatches. I do comparison to all the other ABH palettes. So definitely check it out. I'm going to link it up here for you guys. But yeah, I'm kind of surprisingly obsessed with this palette. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but it's pretty bomb. Like, honestly, it's pretty bomb. I was going for something pretty soft and natural, and I picked up the palette. I blacked out. I don't know how I got here, how I did the smoky eye. I blacked out. Oh, brows are did. I'm gonna take my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Deep Thoughts, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. You guys know how I feel about this product. And then I'm gonna take this lipstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Thick and apply that all over the lips. Well, I'm applying that more on the center and just kind of blending it out. And now to set everything, I'm taking this Derma Blend Power Setter 2-in-1 setting mist and spraying that all over the face. So guys, that is it for this video and this look right over here. I honestly was going for something more of a natural soft look, but looks like we went for a really smoky, sultry eye kind of look, and I'm not mad at it. It looks really, really good. And these lashes, can we talk about this mascara? I mean, these two mascara really killed the lashes. I don't know if you guys can see from there, but they look bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new and cool today. Definitely let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what you want to see next. I want to do a couple of foundation reviews because right now there's so many new launches and I cannot wait. So let me know which one you want to see first: Pat McGrath, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, or Fenty Beauty. So those are the top three that I kind of got my eye on right now. I'm heading to Sephora tomorrow, and hopefully I will be picking all three up and see what you guys want to see next. So leave that in the comments section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.